Hi, Bookmatic lifelong learners. In this video today, I'm going to give you 7 steps to build and sell your service or product on Instagram through my own personal experiences. So let's get into this video, but first, make sure you are subscribed to this channel, like it, share it, send it out to a bunch of people, and then let's get straight into all these 7 steps. All right, so first of all, before we get into the 7 steps, I just want to explain a little bit about my background so that you know exactly where I'm coming from. So back in 2017, I started my Instagram profile, Bookmatic. At that time, I was sharing book reviews, book recommendations. I was just basically sharing everything I learned from the books. And then around 2018, midway through 2018, I started to get some book promotions. And I was like, oh, this is cool, getting like free books that actually, I get paid for the books, right? But I realized, okay, well, this is not going to pay the bills, right? I'm getting maybe $100 per month or something like that for a book promotion. So obviously it's not going to pay the bills, but it's nice extra pocket money. I get a chance to help the author, spread it out to new audience. Like we all benefit from that. But yeah, it's just pocket money, just pocket money. So I realized I need to do more. I need to grow more, and I need to develop a service that can help hundreds of thousands of people. So I got to thinking, I got to growing, I got to brainstorming. And in 2020, I launched an online course and a mentorship program, which I'll go into just a little bit of detail. So the online course, that is helping people to become better readers, to be able to analyze what they read, take it out from the book, and then start to implement it. So basically to read better, like that's what the whole course is all about. And the mentorship program is all about helping people to grow their social media accounts, build a service-based business, and be able to sell it through Instagram, which is kind of what I'm talking about in this video today. So yeah, we'll go through each 7 steps. And by the way, if you're interested in the online course or the mentorship program, reach out to me, DM me on Instagram or my email, matt@bookmatic.com, and then we can have a chat about it. We can have a free hour-long consultation call about either the online course or the mentorship program. So let's get into the 7 steps, because that's actually what you're here for, okay? So the first step is know exactly what you are about. If you start your Instagram profile, you need to know exactly what sort of service you are offering to people, what sort of product you are offering to people. For me, 2017, I didn't know at that time. And that's okay, right? It was a learning process. Some of us might need that. The point is to get started. And once you know exactly what you are offering, niche down, focus on that one area. That way, when people look at your profile, they know exactly what you're offering. They know exactly what you're doing. And that doesn't mean that you're constantly trying to sell to them or anything like that. You're still offering value. Like if you look at the Bookmatic page right now, all you see is value, and then sometimes you will see a promotional post, like sign up for my online course or join my mentorship program, right? So the key is to offer value as much as you possibly can, narrow that niche down, narrow that focus down. That way people know exactly what they're looking at when they come to your profile. Number 2 is focus on quality and consistency when you're posting on Instagram. Instagram, hence the name is Insta. It's very quick. So when people are scrolling through the the feed and they catch something that looks really nice and high quality, it will make them stop. And if you're doing that consistently, like for example, if you're posting every single day and you can do that with high quality, then that means your profile is probably going to grow to hundreds of thousands next year or the next 2 years or even 8 months, like I saw some people do, right? So really, the key here is to focus on quality and consistency. So if you cannot post every single day, then do it every 3 days. That's okay. Posting every 3 days, not a problem, as long as you're focusing on that quality. People love that. Number 3 is if you have no idea what you're selling, that's okay. Not a problem. If you have no idea what your product or service is yet, not a problem. Just kind of like what I explained earlier, 2017, I had no idea. So what you can do is you can start to build your product or service based on the questions that you ask people. The reason why it took me from 2018 to 2020 to launch my online course is because I was doing research. I was reading books about building an online course, about marketing. I was reading books about business. I was asking people questions in the DMs and on the feeds. And in the story, I was asking, oh, what is your biggest problem with reading, right? What sort of problems do you have when it comes to reading nonfiction books? And when I got a consistent answer from all of my followers or hundreds of followers, right? When I got all this same answer, I decided that is something I'm going to put in my online course because it solves a problem that most people have. So whatever it is you are trying to build, ask people questions, pay attention, listen to them. When you listen to them and you find a commonality between a bunch of people, that is what you can put in your online course or your service, your product. That is what makes a really good product, is when you find that problem you can help people solve. So do your research. That's number 3. Number 4, let's go into it. This is a little bit different. This one helps you to grow your profile. Doing collaborations. Doing collaborations is extremely important because even if it's someone in your niche, if they have a similar product, well, that's okay. They might be your competition, but if you can do like a live video together and do like a chat together, it will bring some of their audience over to you, and it will also bring some of your audience over to them. You will be mutually helping each other out. And that's okay because, in this world, we all want to grow as individuals and as a society. That's very important. So doing collaborations is extremely important. If you try to do everything by yourself, it's going to be very, very hard to grow. So you have to kind of take your ego out of the picture here and just be like, okay, hey, me and my friends from across the world, we can help each other out. So let's do a collaboration together, right? And this person that you do a collaboration with, they could even be like a famous person. Like Evan Carmichael, I've seen him go on a couple people's podcasts, right? Great, that's a collaboration right there. So some of Evan Carmichael's audience sees that podcast and be like, oh, cool. Okay, I'm gonna go follow this other guy, right? And number 5 here is build rapport in the DMs. Like I was saying earlier in step number 3, if you have no idea what your service is or your product, asking questions. Go into the DMs, ask people questions, get in a conversation with them, not just questions, otherwise you seem like a robot, right? Get in a conversation with them and build rapport with them. If they know exactly what you are offering, just like in step number 1, they might get that DM from you and then be like, oh, wow, this person is awesome. oh, I know that they have an online course. I might as well sign up for it because, well, this person took the time out of their day to DM me, to talk with me, to make sure I was okay, right? So DMing people and building that rapport is like, that's going to change your world. Even if you're only able to DM like 5 people per day, hey, that's five of your followers are getting a message from you. How do you think that makes them feel? Probably makes them feel good, right? So building that rapport, you can't beat that. You have to do that in order to sell more of your product, to build friendships and relationships and build your network. Number 6 here is, if you are selling to people on Instagram, I highly recommend selling to people on calls. Like, so if you're DMing them, don't just try to sell and say, hey, sign up for my online course for $199. They're probably going to just flat out say no, right? They have to have some sort of reason. They have to have a rapport with you in order to just sign up like that. So that's why getting them on a call, and I know this takes time, but it's worth it because you are helping that person to grow as an individual through the service or the product that you have to offer. So get the person on a call. That way you can talk with them. You can build up even more rapport with them. They can see you. So get them on the call. That's the point. Number 7, the last one, repeat the process. This one, yeah, I mean, it's basically self-explanatory. If you want to continue growing, keep on doing all 7 of these steps. If you want to keep on selling your product, keep on doing all of these steps. Now, this is just one strategy, of course. There are many other strategies that you can do at the same time. Like, I'm a big fan of Traffic Secrets by Russell Brunson. Sales funnels, marketing funnels, bringing down people down the funnels. And that one is automatic, right? This one is all manual. So yes, you have to put in the work. You have to. To build rapport, to build trust with people, you have to do the work. It makes sense, right? So take these 7 steps and repeat the process and let me know if you have any questions. I've always got the mentorship program that I can help guide you exactly how to do the DMs, exactly how to build the good, strong quality and consistent content. Like, all of this is something I have personally been working on actually for more than 2017, for more than 4 years now. It's actually been longer than almost like 7 years, I think. So I've got quite a lot of experience doing this. So I know that I personally can help you out a whole lot to build a service, to sell it, and to sell it not in a fishy or cheesy or scammy way, because that's not what I am about. So make sure you're subscribed to this channel, share this video out to a bunch of people. That way the 7-step process can get out to more people, and refer anyone to me. If you know they're wanting to build a business, refer them to me. Email me, matt@bookmatic.com, or DM me on Instagram, Bookmatic, right? So yeah, I thank you. Thank you so much for watching the video, and see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, everyone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like these. Also follow my other social media accounts such as Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter for more valuable content. Thank you for watching again, and I will see you guys next time.